I don't think so. Any thinking person in Bharat today is surprised by the Congress decision not to attend Pran Pratishtha at Ram Mandir. The argument, let's deconstruct the argument, which is that it is a BJP political event. But what is the reality? Reality is when Pran Pratishtha happened for Somnath Mandir, where a cabinet minister of the then Nehru government was one of the front people in rebuilding it, where Sardar Patel wanted it to be rebuilt, where the President of India wanted to go there and in fact went there in face of stiff opposition by Prime Minister Nehru, then it was not a BJP political event. So that time also the Gandhi family and Prime Minister Nehru chose not to go to Somnath Mandir. BJP was not in existence then. It was a Congress event. But because it was a Mandir, they took a political decision not to go there. In fact, calling it Hindu revivalism, probably to appease the Muslim vote back even as early as 1951. So then, 2019, Priyanka Gandhi is in Ayodhya. She is asked, will you go? She says no, because the matter is sub judice. Very good. Now the court decision has also come. Now Pran Pratishtha is to happen. And now we have a third reason that it is a BJP event or this event or that event. The basic underlying, the last line I will say, from Somnath to Ram Mandir, the Gandhi family in power, then the Gandhi family in power now, has not attended the holiest days for Hindus, and that is a matter of fact which this nation has seen and documented.
You know, you're saying people are not surprised. People of this country are not surprised that the Congress party has taken this stand. But, you know, some within the Congress definitely are. And I'm just going to put out the information on post by the ex-Gujarat Congress President Arjun Modwadia. And Kamruzaman Chaudhary, you can come in perhaps. Arjun Modwadia says, भगवान श्री राम आराध्य देव हैं, ये देशवासियों की आस्था और विश्वास का विषय है. कांग्रेस को ऐसे राजनीतिक निर्णय लेने से दूर रहना चाहिए था. कमरुज़मान चौधरी.
Yeah, basically, you know, the main thing that Ishkiran just now brought out the reference of Somnath Mandir along with the Ram Mandir inauguration. Congress's stand in 1950s also was the same. In 2023 also it remains the same. We'll maintain equidistance from any religious event that will be milking political votes for a political party. Wait, please shut up and listen, please. Now the point here is that, you know, when they talk about appeasement of minorities for vote bank, they forget to understand that the VHP Vice President Champat Rai...
Do not use this language with me. Learn how to appear on debates.
नहीं, एक मिनट कमरुज़मान चौधरी, शट अप, चुप करिए. ऐसा मत कहिए किसी को भी. कोई आपसे ऐसा कहेगा तो you will also not like it. But please respond to Arjun Modwadia. आप इनको भी...
They deserve this type of languages because they cannot...
Who are you to decide what he deserves or not, sir? कमरुज़मान चौधरी, you will not tolerate this. आप इसको tolerate नहीं करेंगे.
The arrogance, Swati, this is the level of...
आप इसको tolerate नहीं करेंगे तो आप किसी और के साथ भी ऐसा नहीं कर सकते. कमरुज़मान चौधरी,
logic is dependent only on one thing.
You can say this is the level of arrogance these people have. And that is why this...
Kamruzaman Chaudhary, respond to Arjun Modwadia's post.
It belongs to only the Ramanand sect.
Can you respond to Arjun Modwadia's post?
राम मंदिर बिलोंग्स टू एवरीबॉडी ऑफ इंडिया.
तो जाइए, कौन रोक रहा है आपको? हर किसी को बिलोंग करता है, हर किसी को जाना चाहिए.
How did this person Champat Rai say Ramanand sect?
Okay, you will not respond to what Arjun Modwadia is saying. Tehseen Poonawalla, you know, wasn't this a brilliant opportunity, or wasn't this the right time for the Congress party to embrace it openly and say, you know, irrespective of whoever is organizing the consecration ceremony, we are here because of our faith?
You answered that question, Swati, you answered that question with your question. You used the word in your question, to quote you, opportunity. The Congress or the opposition is not about opportunity.
Right time, I also said right time.
Absolutely. And right time, kan aur shanshan mein hai Bhagwan Ram. Kan aur shanshan mein. 22nd नहीं, 23rd को जाएगी, 24th को जाएगी, जब मंदिर समाप्त हो जाएगा, निर्माण का कार्य समाप्त हो जाएगा, मंदिर निर्माण का कार्य समाप्त होगा, जैसे करेक्टेड में से मंदिर निर्माण का कार्य समाप्त होगा, तब जाएंगे. So when the construction is over, that is the time they will go. Why should it be on 22nd? Now let me ask another question, but this is a fundamental question that is being answered. Everything that you're asking the opposition party is right. and it's a valid question. Why isn't the BJP answering that the 4 Shankaracharyas are not going, and they're saying, listen, the construction of the temple is not yet complete. Hence, this is not an appropriate time as per the Shastras. Now,
Guru Prakash, please come in.
ji is
Although I've
here.
already
I have a lot of
mentioned
respect for him. I have a
the
lot of
letter put
respect.
out by two of them.
No. But I read that, and I was just completing that. But they, even in that letter, while they respect the Honorable Prime Minister, they say very categorically, Shastra is only they know about Shastra and timing. Does Guru Prakash ji say the BJP knows more than the Shankaracharyas when they have said that it is not the correct timing?
Guru Prakash,
Why are you
respond.
doing it?
Respond.
No, Swati, I was patiently listening to my friend who apparently sympathizes, which I don't understand, with the Congress party. But we have to understand one thing, that only a couple of days ago, a lot of Congress spokesperson was saying that हम लोगों ने द्वार खोला था, हम लोगों ने दरवाजा खोला था. It is a very prophetic book by one of the most senior journalists in India today. In page number 88, she says, and I read, Rajiv Gandhi had thought the Muslim women's bill would satisfy the Muslim, and opening of the locks on the grill would make the Hindus happy. So for the Congress party, we must understand it is just a matter of politics. It is just a matter of rhetoric. It is not a matter of faith. Swati, I would just like to remind your viewers, in 1966, sadhus were protesting outside the Parliament House. It was Madam Indira Gandhi जिन्होंने कहा open fire कर दो साधुओं के ऊपर. You have to understand the true nature, the true character of the Congress party. Congress party historically, institutionally, structurally has been a Hindu-hating organization, and Hindu-hating political party, and that is the reason. Be it minority appeasement, and for now, like I gave you the example, they would have no problem visiting a Shahi Imam.
Okay.
They would have no problem hailing the canonization of Mother Teresa. But now they would have a problem going to Ram Temple, and this is an insult. Congress party is accountable and answerable to more than 100 crore Hindus of the country today. देश के 100 करोड़ हिंदू आपसे सवाल पूछ रहे हैं. But in the lighter vein, Swati, we must also appreciate the fact that Mr. Tehseen Poonawalla, who sympathizes with the Congress party, is using the word like Shankaracharya, is using the word like Mandir,
नहीं, he's also saying
is using the
कण-कण
word
में
like
और
पूजा.
क्षण
हम
क्षण में
स्वागत
राम है.
करते हैं. यही हमारी जीत है.
ठीक है, आनंद
यही
दुबे,
हमारी जीत है.
गुरु प्रकाश कह रहे हैं कि गुरु, आपने कहा कांग्रेस का सोल हिंदू है, कांग्रेस की आत्मा हिंदू है. गुरु प्रकाश कह रहे हैं कि बिल्कुल हिंदू विरोधी हैं जिनके साथ आज आप खड़े हैं.
बिल्कुल हिंदू विरोधी नहीं है कांग्रेस. ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी भ्रम फैला रही है.
अच्छा,
मुझे विजय शंकर जी के प्रश्न पर एक सवाल जवाब देना है.
अरे भाई,
वो कह रहे हैं कि इस पूरे इवेंट से भारतीय जनता पार्टी का कोई संबंध नहीं है.
पुस्तक में लिखा है, मैं नहीं कह रहा हूँ.
शांत हो जाइए गुरु प्रसाद जी, शांत हो जाइए प्लीज. जब आप बोलते हैं तो कोई नहीं बोलता.
नहीं, पुस्तक में लिखा है, मैं नहीं कह रहा था सर. राजीव गांधी जी ने राजनीतिक उपयोग किया था, ये पुस्तक में लिखा है,
कोई
मैंने
बात
नहीं कहा
नहीं.
है.
आप ऐसे भ्रम
मुझे लगता है आपको
फैलाइए
सोचना
ऐसे
चाहिए.
ही.
पार्टी का
आप ऐसे
सिंबल को
भ्रम
बचा नहीं
फैलाते
पाया.
बहुत कम वक्त
आप
बचा है.
ऐसे भ्रम
बहुत कम
फैलाते
वक्त बचा है.
हैं.
लेट मिस्टर दुबे कंप्लीट हिज पॉइंट. जी जी जी.
इन्होंने लिखा है, मैंने नहीं बोला.
विजय शंकर जी ने कहा है
इन्होंने बोला
पूरे
है.
इवेंट से भारतीय जनता पार्टी का कोई संबंध नहीं है. कोई दिन ऐसा बीत नहीं रहा कि मुख्यमंत्री, प्रधानमंत्री, बीजेपी के विधायक, सांसद वहां जाकर पूरी व्यवस्था नहीं देख रहे. पूरा का पूरा कार्यक्रम अपने अधीन रखा हुआ है. कौन आएगा, कौन नहीं आएगा, कौन कहां बैठेगा, कौन बोलेगा, कौन गर्भगृह में जाएगा, ये सब बीजेपी तय कर रही है. उसके बाद ये लोग कह रहे हैं कि बीजेपी का इससे कोई संबंध नहीं. मैं तो समझ ही नहीं पा
ठीक है,
रहा.
आप कह रहे हैं पॉलिटिकल इवेंट है, लेकिन सब देखते जानते बूझते आपके जो एलाए हैं उनको भी ये कोशिश करनी चाहिए थी कि इस पॉलिटिकल इवेंट में शामिल होकर के लोगों को बताते कि देखिए ये हमारी पॉलिटिक्स ऐसी है और हम भी जो हैं लॉर्ड राम में, भगवान राम में आस्था रखते हैं.